It's finally time to reveal our basement that we've been working hard to finish. I'm Ben. This is my wife, Mollie. She's an interior designer and Instagrammer. So welcome to our channel where we share the best deals and tips for your home. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified for our next video reveal.
So recently when I shared a preview of this room, a little sneak peek, you guys had tons of questions and I hope to answer all those today. If there's something that I missed, be sure to let me know and I will, or leave a comment below and then I'll get back to you on that. Of course, one of the biggest questions you guys had was on this wall, which is a big statement maker. And this is something I designed. I love using paneling for accent walls. It kind of just gives a little dimension and depth to the room. And of course, an amazing color like this makes all the difference in a room. This is Benjamin Moore's Duxbury Gray. It's got that awesome gray, blue, green tone to it that's just kind of rich and inviting, and I love it. It's not too committed to being a certain color. It kind of changes in different lights and still has a richness to it that I really love. I in fact use this on my kitchen cabinetry as well that we're going to show you soon in the basement kitchen.
Yeah, the color is really cool. I love the color, but to build this wall, it's actually really simple. All you do is map out rectangles on the wall, and then you just you put the MDF there and you create the borders of those rectangles.
So these here.
And then you put smaller pieces on top of those borders. So if you can, as you can see here, it's just, this is the wall, here's the first border piece, and then the smaller pieces that go on top of it. So really you're just doing the same thing, creating rectangles twice, and then all you have to do is put Bondo on all of the seams so that it's seamless and makes it really simple, looks great, and it's not that difficult.
I think the biggest trick with this kind of wall is just mapping out the spacing. So you want to measure your full wall and then just divide how many boxes you want and calculate that out.
Yep.
So it's a lot of just pre-planning, really. And I will try and find some photos if we have some during the process. I think I might have some on my phone to show you kind of how it looked through the different steps. So in addition to designing this accent wall for a little detail in the space, I also created a built-in wall with some storage, a desk area, a little reading nook. So it's really fun for kids. Did a little vertical shiplap accent. And did a really cool color on this as well. It's kind of a putty tone, which is, I feel like, a really current color. And I think the desk will be nice for him.
Well, I mean, it's a desk for hobbits or infants, possibly. So it's not super tall.
I have been getting a lot of flack for that, but he's only 8, and so I think it's the perfect size for a kid. And we can also adjust.
He really likes it. We should say that.
That's true. We should can adjust that little centerpiece that is the desk. Just move it up with him as he grows. So I wanted to design this space to really grow with him. I think, and even though he's 8, I know his teen years are around the corner, are going to be coming up fast, and so I wanted this whole space to feel not too childish. But I went with furniture pieces that also can double for, like, when we have extra guests, they can use this room as well. So this queen size bed is one that's amazing. I love the design of it. I feel like it's a reasonable price too for what it is. And these nightstands are amazing. A really great size, kind of like between a dresser and a nightstand. So it gives you more storage, but still that feel of a nightstand.
Yeah. Still lacking the shark above the bed, though.
True, we are. So my son wants, like, a giant taxidermy, like faux taxidermy shark above his bed. The one that he wants is like $600. So I told him to start saving his allowance.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
It's a little excessive, but yeah, it might be a few years for that one.
Yeah.
I did also let him pick the rug. My son, he chose the
rug. It was a big
room.
moment for him.
I know. I narrowed it down a few options and then he picked. But it's nice to let your kids kind of have a part in their room so that it feels really their own. So I will link that for you guys as well as the furniture pieces. I've been really happy with them. And sadly, these nightstands are discontinued. I did find one that's similar, which I will link.
People love these nightstands.
I know. Everyone loves these and they were a killer deal. They were like, they were only, I think, $250. Some of you guys got them because they were on closeout when I shared in my Instagram stories.
No, she loves deals. It's like a sport for Mollie. So.
It really is. And in fact, Black Friday is like my Super Bowl. I am getting so excited already for all the deals that are going to be coming. So make sure to follow in my Instagram stories for those. It's good stuff. So thank you guys for following along. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys will be notified when our next basement reveal is live. We're going to be sharing all the spaces since it's finally done. Tune in next time, and we will see you here.